Where does Nerdventure take us today? We got crawlers, we got a creek, we got rocks, we got some nerd friends. We're in Gray Eagle, California at another one of Mr. Weir's secret spots of crawling adventure. We're gonna go hit some trails and you guys can go along for the ride. It'll be good. Creek bed. Dried up creeks are some of the best crawling that you can find. We're gonna traverse our way through this, and when we get to the cool spots, we'll set up the camera. Because, I mean, you've all done creek trails. It's not that cool sometimes, but there are some cool spots. We'll bring it to you. So, promising cool climbs. So, we've made it like exactly like maybe 10 feet. And I'm like, oh, we should have filmed all of that. So, all of this simple stuff was very cool. Trust me. We're just going to roll camera the whole time. No, we're just going to try to make sure that we get more clips. Because if we roll camera the whole time, I'm never going to edit that down.
This is actually really sick.
So Tom's driving the SCX6 with systems unknown inside, in case you're wondering. Sometimes I get to do cool product testing and get my shadow right in the shot.
It's got a soft servo in it.
Yeah, stock. This truck is completely stock other than the unknown system that we're running. That's my Vanquish Phoenix. Dude, and we've gone like 30 feet.
Yeah, no, I know. Where's the line up here?
Left.
Oh, left.
I mean, you'd probably do an A-pin here.
Oh, you gotta bridge the gap on this, huh? That was sick. With oh my God, your wife is so pissed right now.
All of the drinks have spilled, but it's fine. That's some SCX6 action right there.
Oh, let it go.
We missed a cool one. I went right up this little split face
I think
V-wedge guy.
Too slim for big heavy right there.
To get up there? Yeah, probably. We're going to try to go around the outside of this. So Mr. Weir's going to try to go up the line that I did to give us the joy of this line, because it's pretty sick.
Maybe it's on scale only. Use that little flimsy gapper.
Yeah, the little stick helps you. Pretty cool. It's a pretty cool
Look
line.
at that, drop it like it's hot, dude. That was sick.
Well, it's cool. The little rear end.
Well, we're slowly working our way down to the creek. And long distance crawl. If you guys don't know about long distance crawl, you stand in one spot and you drive as far away as you can. And usually it turns into a vision situation. You can't see your truck. Alright, so we made it down to the swim hole. Waterproof testing? Maybe. But bro, what a sick spot, dude. Tons of big rocks, little rocks, side trails. It's 10 scale friendly, it's 6 scale friendly. I bet if we brought some micro crawlers, those would be fine too, because like you can tippy toe around the treetops. Pretty cool, dude. Maybe one of the best parts is you can get into almost frozen water and stand there and chill. And if you wanted to get brave, you can dunk all the way in and get an ice bath. And it's amazing. Snow melt. It's all snow melt up here. Look at this cool spot. We're going back up creek, up river. And we're gonna try to do an uphill traverse here. Let me see if I can set the camera down. Well, that's pretty deep. Oh, that's much deeper than anticipated. Try to use this rock, keep us above ground. Cut across. This looks a little bit more reasonable. That's pretty deep. All the rocks are very soft underneath, so I think everything's moving. We're gonna just go upriver.
Oh, you're going in. I don't like the crossing.
Alright, I was trying to go in front of the rock, but I'm gonna have to go behind the big rock, I think. Oh gosh.
Oh my god. I don't like your line. But apparently you don't give a shit.
You get out of there. Try to find some.
Lone left seat.
Oh gosh.
You know it's deep. Oh, that's why I said you go where the rapids are, bud.
Oh, I got it.
You gotta go like across the Straits of a Felon, dude.
I did a truck walk.
Should be okay.
So it looks like the plan is to try to traverse across, because it's pretty deep on this side, not that scale. So we're going to try to use this rock bridge to get across.
Oh no, you're too deep, Todd.
Oh, she's so slimy. Oh, I mean, maybe. Not his best driving I've ever seen. I thought you were gonna hug it high right.
I tried to, but
Oh man, dude, that's Submarine Jackson right there. Okay, you're just gonna cross it. Okay. All right, so Charlie's waterproof. We proved that. I don't have.
So Mark's gonna try to do what I just did wrong. He's gonna hook his tires on the outside edge.
I'm not waterproof, and I have a blown left CVD or whatever the yoke is. The yoke is done.
He has excuses already.
Can the guy even get on it? Is the question.
Then dig up. No?
Can't. It's not. Oh, that is fucking. Let's see that front.
He's going to the water bypass.
No. Yeah, no, it's done.
Drivetrain failure.
Maybe, if I can hit it from here. It works. No, it works part-time because it's just like catching a little ear left, whatever ear is left. Oh God. Oh no. Yeah, no turn.
At an opportune time.
Okay, we'll just.
Oh, it pushed right off. There's no drive. Oh, it's just there's no drive on the left front.
Right front just went into a fucking
It happens.
You're like high centered on a rock. You gotta back up more. Yeah, and then come down a little bit. Dude. I just did it all the wrong way and did the deepest waters and everything. Mark's got video. I did not. See, I'm saying he's gonna tippy toe through the treetops right here. Right there. Oh. Yep. With the weakest servo in all the land. Right there with a little, go straight. Oh. Nice. bumper is just like jamming you. There you go. You just drive through the water. Oh, yeah, see? No problem. That's like... Nice. Yep. Creek crossing. No problem. That was sick. Alright, here, you film me. I'm gonna try to go easiest route, water considered. So this was the splitting hairs. Yeah.
So you just roll over in the
Yeah,
water?
it's like, that's not what I was going for.
You just go for the full turtle?
Yeah. All right, that works.
Hey. Somebody should suggest anger management to you.
It's fine. We got a dead battery in the big truck, so he's bringing it back to swap it out. But lights going down, good times, dude. Like, Weir's always got the coolest spots to RC, and this is another prime example. This is 5 minutes from his house on, no, it's not even 5 minutes, probably 3 minutes, in the Turf Queen. The John Deere tailgater, we call it the Turf Queen. It's sick. Do you like podcasts? We like podcasts. We do a podcast. It's called RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing. You can find it on your favorite podcast service, or check in the description down below. It's anchor.fm/Hobbywing. You've got questions, we've got answers. Send us an email, northamerica@hobbywing.com. Thanks for tuning in for another Nerdventure here on the Hobbywing official YouTube channel. It's The Charlie Show. See you next time.